In integer chapters, next point is multiplication of integers. First is multiplication of positive integers. We have already studied multiplication of positive integers, that is 2 into 5. Both are positive integers, this is equal to 10. Then 3 into 5, this is equal to 15. Please understand, this we have already studied by the help of table. Now this can be understood with the help of a number line also. So if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now understand, if 2 is multiplied 5 means 2 is added 5 times. This is equal to 10. Now we already know when we add positive integers we shift to the right hand side. So this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Please note each jump is of 2 steps. Since it is 2, we have to jump 2 steps a single time. So if you jump 5 times, you will get the answer. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Now if you want to solve 3 multiplied by 5, then each jump must be of 3 steps and we have to jump 5 times. So it means this is one jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump. Please note each jump is of 3 steps. So you will get the answer 3 5s are 15. In this way we can do the multiplication of positive integers with the help of number line also. Now let us understand the multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. If it is 2 multiplied by minus 4. Please understand, this is negative 4. It means we have to jump to the left hand side. We have already studied negative integers are to the left hand side. This is equal to actually minus 4 plus minus 4 added 2 times. This is equal to minus 8. 2 fours are 8. Now this can be understood with the help of number line like this. If this becomes plus into minus is minus, so you will get minus 4 is equal to minus 8. Both integers have same sign, so we have to add the magnitude of the integers and give their sign. It is a negative sign. Now this can be understood. We can write directly also. 2 fours are 8 and give the sign negative since one integer is having a negative sign. Now this can be understood with the help of number line. We have to jump 4 steps. Each jump is of 4 steps and we have to jump 2 steps. So from 0 you will get 4 ones are 4. This is first jump and 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. If you jump 4 steps, you will get the answer is negative 8. Now, if you take another example, 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 3. That is, you have to jump 3 steps to the negative direction. So 3 ones are 3. That is 3. This is first jump. Then second jump. 1, 2, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. Minus 9. Now this can be also understood, that is minus 3 is added 3 times. Minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. This is equal to, we have minus 3 plus into minus is minus 3 plus into minus is minus 3. Now see, these two integers have same sign, so we have to add the integers and give their sign. We will get minus 6 to minus 3. Now both the integers again have the same sign, so we have to add the magnitude of the integers and give their sign. So this is equal to minus 9. By doing addition also we can get the answer. With the help of number line also we can get the answer. With the help of table also we can get the answer. Minus 3 multiplied by 3. In order to do the multiplication, multiply whole numbers. That is 3 into 3 is 3 3s are 9 and give the negative sign. That is minus into plus is minus. Next point is multiplication of negative integers. So if both integers are negative, then how to do the multiplication? Let us understand. If there is minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Please note, in this case both the integers are negative. We have to do the multiplication of whole numbers. That is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 ones are 2 and minus multiplied by minus is plus. Again take another example, minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. So when you do the multiplication of negative integer, we have to multiply the whole numbers. 3 4s are 12 and minus multiplied by minus is plus. Whenever it is a plus integer, we don't write the plus sign. There is no need to write. Even if you write, it is not wrong. Please understand, if both the integers are positive, answer will always be positive. If one of the integer is negative, answer will always be negative. If again one of the integer is negative, answer will always be negative. If both the integers are negative, answer will always be positive. If we multiply negative sign 3 times, we will get the answer negative. If you multiply negative sign 5 times, then also we will get the answer negative. If you multiply negative sign 4 times, we will get the answer positive. If you multiply negative sign 6 times, we will get the answer positive. Please understand from this. If the negative signs, negative integers are odd, then we get negative integer. And if the negative integers are even, means if the negative integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, then we always get an answer as a positive integer. If negative integers are odd, that is negative integers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, something like this, then answer will always be negative. Next, let us understand this. Fine. Please understand, one integer is positive, one integer is negative, hence answer will be negative. Then 4 8s are 32. Here also one integer is positive, one integer is negative, hence answer will be negative. 8 2s are 16. Then here also one integer positive, one integer negative, answer will be negative. 7 3s are 21. Here one integer positive, one integer negative, hence answer will be negative. Here let us multiply. 9 6 are 54. 5 carries. 6 1 are 6 plus 5 11. Answer, one integer is negative, hence answer will also be negative. Next is again negative. One integer is negative, so answer will be negative. 12 2s are 24. 2 carries. 12 3s are 36. Plus 2 is 38. Then next is again here also one integer is negative, so answer will be negative. 7 2s are 14. 1 carries. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So please understand, the multiplication can be done in this way. So this is what we have studied in this topic. While multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, we multiply them as a whole number. Means we multiply numbers as if sign is not there, and put a minus sign and then put a negative sign to the answer. So 4 8s are 32 and then we put the minus sign before the product. We always get a negative integer. So when you multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, we always get a negative integer. Find 15 into negative 16, 21 into negative 32, negative 42 into 12, negative 55 into 15. So this is equal to, understand, 15 sixes are, we have to multiply whole numbers. So 15 sixes are 90, 9 carries, 15 ones are 15, plus 9 is 24. Give the sign negative. Then next, one integer negative, one integer positive, so sign will be negative. 21 2s are 42, 4 carries. 21 3s are 63, 63 plus 4, 67. Then 12 2s are 24, 2 carries. 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 2 is 50. one integer is negative, so the answer will have negative sign. Next, 15 5s are 75, 7 carries. 15 5s are again 75, 75 plus 7, 82. One integer is negative, so we will have minus sign to the answer. Now see, check whether 25 into minus 21 is equal to minus 25 into 21. So let us check LHS. LHS is equal to 25 into 21. So one will have negative sign. Then 25 ones are 25. 2 carries. 25 twos are 50. 52. It will have a negative sign. One integer is having negative sign. Then RHS. One integer, only one integer is negative, so answer will be negative. 25 ones are 25. 2 carries. 25 to the 50, so 52. Please note here 25 into minus 21 is equal to minus 25 into 21. Negative sign is changed, but the answer does not change. Let us check the next also. Now we know that this 23 LHS is equal to minus 23 into 20. This is equal to 2 23 is 60, 6 carries, 20 to the 40, 46. Answer will be negative. Then let us check RHS. RHS is equal to 23 into minus 20. So this is equal to, again answer will have negative sign. We have 23 to the 46. Again you get the same answer. So please note here, if minus a multiplied by b is equal to a multiplied by minus b, or you can say is equal to minus sign taken common a multiplied by b. Now see, next is both integers are negative. Minus 31 multiplied by minus 100. So answer will be positive. And 31 ones are 31. 2 zeros. So answer is equal to 3100. Now next is minus 25 into minus 72. So we have to multiply the whole numbers first. That is 25 multiplied by 72. So if you multiply it by 72 multiplied by 25, then we will get 25 to the 50, 5 carries, 25 sevens are 175 plus 5 is 180. So this is equal to 1800. Two integers are having negative sign, hence the answer will be positive. Give the positive sign, or even if you don't give, it is considered as positive. Last problem, 83 multiplied by 20. Negative 83 multiplied by negative 28. We have to multiply whole numbers first. So 83 multiplied by 28, you will get 8 3s are 24, 2 carries, 8 8s are 64 plus 2 66. Then next 0, 2, 3 2s are 6 and 8 to the 16. If you add this, you will get 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carries, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1 carry, 130, plus 1 carry, 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2, 3, 2, 4 is the answer. And since both integers are negative, we will get the positive answer. 2, 3, 2, 4 is the answer.